Hello data family, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to solve the next question of advanced select of SQL on HackerRank, and the question is the pads. In the pads, the P stands for professor, A stands for actor, D stands for doctor, and S stands for singer. That's why here the name is the pads. So in this we have two questions and we will write the query for both the questions one by one. So in the first question, we have to query an alphabetically ordered list of all names in occupations, which are immediately followed by the first letter of each profession and closed in parentheses. For example, first we will write the name, and then in the parentheses we will write the first letter. If he, she is an actor, then A. If he, she is a doctor, then D. If professor, then P, and singer name, singer, then S. Like here you can see this is the sample input where we have the name and occupation column, and this is our output. So in the input you can see that Julia is an actor. So in the output we have got the Julia name, and in the parenthesis it is written A. So A here goes for actor. Same, Jane is an actor, Jenny is a doctor. So for Jenny you can see here it is written D in the parenthesis, and the names here in the output are ordered alphabetically. So first we will write the query for this question, and for this we will write first select concat, as we will be concating the name and occupation. That's why we have used here concat. Then first we want the name and we want the first letter of the occupation parenthesis. So that's why we will first take here open parenthesis, then comma, then we want the first letter of the occupation. So for this we will use substring of occupation. We want first letter of one length, then comma, then we will enter the close the parenthesis, and we will use this string as NA from occupations, and we will order it by name. So this is the query for the first question. Now we will write the query for second question. Second question here is that we have to query the number of occurrence of each occupations, and we have to sort the occurrence ascending order and output them in the following format. There are total of count of occupations. Like you can see here in the sample output, there are the output are there are total of 2 doctors, there are total of 2 singers, there are total of 3 actors and 3 professors. So for this question we will write select, again we will use concat, then we'll write here there are a total of, then comma, then we want the count of the occupation, count of occupation, comma, we will take some space, then we will take lower of occupation, because here we want the names in lower case. That's why we are writing here lower, then comma, and we will add an S at the last of the name. As you can see here that it is written 2 doctors, 2 singers. So in the names at the end S is adding here. That's why we have written here small s. Then we want it from occupations. We will group it by occupation and order it by count of occupation, comma occupation. So yeah, let's run our code. It is giving wrong answer. Let me check. Okay, so here they want show the cat. So yeah, we have passed the sample test cases and this is our output. So let's submit our code. As you can see, we have successfully submitted our code. So yeah, that's all for today and stay tuned for more such videos. Bye bye.